This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2020 Motor Menders Beater Cruise. This is so much fun. These cars are just so outrageous. That's some beater. It's a gorgeous day. It's in the 40s, although it's February, which is really pretty remarkable. Nice little Corvette. Oh gosh. Little 49 over there. Look at that high rise. Does that look good or what? That is cool. That is cool. I like that. So all the beaters. That's interesting. Little goat over there. Convertible. Oh, lovely. Just lovely. Of course, over here we've got Cadillac. Mustang. Someone's backfiring like mad over there. Nice little automatic 6-cylinder. Boy, this is the little girl's car, the secretary car. 200. Wow. That's a 66 GT package. You know how rare that is? Everyone swapped out for the V8s. The Cadillac over there. Just don't see that many. Like that Ford. That's pretty. Adam's got kicked. Look at the exhaust manifolds. I mean, what were they thinking? Swing over. Saw the wagons pulling in. Some good stuff over there. I like this Ford. Good old work truck. Pure work truck. Mustang up the hill. The modern GTO. Boy, another very, very rare Corvair over here. Town car. That's a gorgeous little F100. This is great. The Corvair pickup truck, very unusual, with the ramp side. Very strange. And that's where you get the dog up, with the ramp side, huh?
That's right.
I know, poor puppy. Oh, someone's having a good time. Yeah, hello there. Oh, don't bother me. I'm sleeping. I am in good. What a little sweetie. Oh, I'm glad you took the tailgate off for better mileage. This thing is great. Absolutely great. They are so cool. I love them, as you can see. And again, this is the second Corvair van at this show, which is really saying something. Nice little Mach 1. $429. That's the Cobra Jet, of course. Manual transmission, nice. That's the way it should be, folks. Dressed up little Ford pickup, Mustang. I gotta switch over here. Is the 4th Suzuki here. That's amazing. Check out this Firebird. Again, you never see the Firebirds out there. I like this Suzuki. This, of course, is a 4-cylinder. X90. It made no sense whatsoever. Look at that Jeepo. Cool beans. I mean, 4-wheel drive coupe, riding high, huh? Novocaine over there. Nice F100. Check out these flames over here.
Take it easy. Get some
That's
grub.
beautiful.
Nice talking to you. You too. Take care.
Bye now.
Novocaine. Of course, we got a Valiant. This is set up to move. What I like is the tubbed rear. That is fantastic. This thing is. Look at those headers. That is so cool. That is so cool. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Motor Menders Beaters Cruising. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows. Now there's someone who's prepared for the Winter Beaters Cruise.